Yeah, absolutely. I'm Rob Lang. I'm the CEO of Auggd. We're a Sydney-based tech startup in augmented and virtual reality. Okay, so we'll take you through a few examples of augmented experiences within our platform. The one I'm showing here is an example of an appliance. So this is a kitchen appliance, and you can see that by moving that trigger around, we can move around the object, or we could move around physically like this. And the product itself is interactive, so we can, animate it here so that it's actually operating. We can change colors so that you can see different options that are available in the product. And in this particular case, one of the things that they wanted to highlight was the ability to show these attachments. So the attachment comes in and you're able to do that there. So that's one example that's a product example. This one is more of a property building or real estate example. So again, you have the image, which is what we call a trigger. And once you look at the trigger through the application, then you get the building pop-up. So that shows the building there. And again, you can walk completely around the building. And in this case, the roof is interactive. You can take the roof off, and those plus indicators take you to information about the product, and the camera icons take you to a panorama inside so that you can view virtually inside. And then let me show you an IoT example. So 1 second, I just need to put in this code. So this is an example showing an airport and some sound data that's been collected by sound sensors. And so what you see here when you look at the trigger is you see the airport map appear. Each of those blue dots represents a sound sensor. And as the plane comes in, you see the sound sensors show that it's noisy where the plane is, that sort of thing. I think the two main trends that we're going to see is one is the continued de-gimmicking. AR has been around a while and has always been very gimmicky. Something pops up in space, but then where's the business value in that? So that's one thing we're very focused on, is adding business value to our customers and demonstrating how AR can improve their business. Technology-wise, I think geolocation is going to become a very big thing in the next 12 months, both indoor and outdoor, because a lot of what we're doing, the augmented information appears around you, and if we can know where you are, either inside a building or even outside, and accurately place that information, then it improves the experience, it improves the quality. I guess the final thing is, I think it's still 2 years out, but there's a lot of headsets on the market. There's a lot of sort of moving off mobile and into something that you can wear. Yeah, I think the hesitation comes from the fact that, everyone's been saying AR is going to be the next big thing in the next, say, 5 years, but they've been saying that for 20, 30 years, So it's always coming and it's never delivered. And I think a lot of enterprises, a lot of businesses have tried it, not seen any value, decided it was gimmicky, and they're afraid to engage now. So, as I said before, if we're focusing on what are the industries that are well suited to AR, and for us it's the built environment, so building, construction, engineering, architecture, real estate, the businesses are well suited to AR, and we've learnt that now, and so those are the businesses where it's going to grow the most. And then when we can demonstrate the value in those businesses, the other businesses will start to be a little less gun shy about the gimmicks and getting past that. It's an extra channel, right? Like, we're being able to visualize items and constructions and assets that are not built yet. So that's bringing your sales process earlier. We're able to reach out to people no matter where their location is. So we can extend that sales process to be someone who's in a different country, or someone is in the comfort of their own home, being able to look at those assets. That's the sort of usage that AR and VR, but more AR, I think, needs to embrace, so that we can extend that sales reach. We can make the sales discussions happen sooner in the cycle, and that just naturally feeds into the business. Well, they're even more gun shy, right? Because they've got less resources to spend than enterprise. So they are even more scared about engaging with AR and VR. But at Auggd we offer a couple of unique things. I mean, one thing is we're much more cost effective than you would think. So we definitely cater to the SMEs really well. But also we offer a couple of tailored tech workshops where we can run you through a subset of your customers and let you try out AR for a very low cost and understand what the value is going to be to your business. So it takes that risk out of the delivery and gives you an opportunity to tailor the experiences to your business.